Hello everyone, this is Chainlink Spring 2023 Hackathon and I have made my own project which is Decentralized Identity Verification system using Chainlink Oracle. Now, what is decentralization? As you can see here, decentralization is basically the transfer of control and decision making from a centralized identity, individual, organization or group thereof to a distributed network. Suppose there is a leader in a country, the power of the leader is being distributed to the local public of the country. Well, that is what we call the decentralization. Now, what is decentralization identity and how does it works? So as you can see, decentralized identity works on a technology called blockchain. Now, what is blockchain? So to give you the idea of blockchain is basically the technology which is used for cryptocurrencies like Dogecoin, Ethereum, or the most famous one, the Bitcoin. Now, there are two usage of decentralized identity. One is professional use and another one is personal use. So for professional use can be used by government or universities or other office jobs and other office, and the personal use is basically for your own use where you can store your passport ID number, your driving license and other stuff which no one else can access except for you. What is the need of decentralized identity? Well, there are already so many processes by which we can verify any individual's identity. Then what is the need of decentralized identity? As you can see, I have taken three examples here. One is centralized identity, which can be registered once and trusted by one. So server provider establishes and maintain user identity and related data in its system. So it can only be registered by one and can be trusted by one. So it's one-to-one network, which is not very safe. So the second one is federated identity. Well, this is same as centralized identity, but the only difference is it can be trusted by many. So there's not many big difference between centralized identity and federated identity, apart from a centralized identity is just trusted by one and the federated identity has been trusted by many. And now here comes the decentralized identity. It can be registered once and trusted globally. So users have a self-managed digital identity independent of individual service provider. So this was the brief idea of my project decentralized identity verification process. So let me take you to the code and show you how it works. So this is the code which I have written in Solidary programming language in Remix IDE. So to run the code, I'll first compile the code and then deploy it. After deploying, my MetaMask wallet will open to ask if I'm making this transaction or not. So yes, I'm making this transaction, so I'll confirm it. And as soon as I confirm it, it will also give me my Ether scan, which will show whether or not my transaction is successful or is rejected. So right now it is showing pending. It will probably take like a few seconds and we'll be back there. As you can see, I have provided, as you can see, yeah, the transaction has happened to my wallet. So this is, if we refresh it, it will show the success. Now right now it's indexing, it will show the success. Let me get back to it in a while. As you can see, I have provided my ID here to, and if I say verify identity and get identity here, you can see there is one unit 2560 and string and also bool false. And the bool false is basically that the identity which I'm asking here is not the same identity I have given here. It is showing the false. And again, I have not provided any name or age or anything for right now, so it is showing me it is bool is verified false. And if I can get back here you can see my transaction is successful as well. So this is my whole project. I hope you really like it, and thanks for watching.